Clallam County is a county in the U.S. state of Washington. As of the 2010 census, the population was 71,404. The county seat and largest city is Port Angeles. The county as a whole comprises the Port Angeles, WA Micropolitan Statistical Area, the name as a Clallam word for the strong people. The county was formed on April 26, 1854, located on the Olympic Peninsula. It is south from the Strait of Havana de Fuca, which forms the Canada-US border, as British Columbia's Vancouver Island is across the strait. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the county has a total area of 2,671 square miles. Is water. Located in Clallam County is Cape Alava, the westernmost point in both Washington and the contiguous United States, with a longitude of 124 degrees, 43 minutes and 59 seconds west. Near Cape Alava is Ozark, the westernmost town in the contiguous United States. As of the census of 2000, there were 64,525 people, 27,164 households, and 18,064 families living in the county. The population density was 37 people per square mile. There were 30,683 housing units at an average density of 18 per square mile. The racial makeup of the county was 89.12% white, 0.84% black or African American, 5.12% Native American, 1.13% Asian, 0.16% Pacific Islander, 1.18% from other races, and 2.44% from two or more races. 3.41% of the population were Hispanic or Latino of any race. 17.2% were of German, 13.1% English, 9.3% Irish, 8.3% United States or American and 6.0% Norwegian ancestry. 95% spoke English and 3.2% Spanish as their first language. There were 27,164 households, out of which 25.70% had children under the age of 18 living with them. 53.90% were married couples living together. 9.00% had a female householder with no husband present. And 33.50% were non-families. 28.10% of all households were made up of individuals. And 13.40% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.31 and the average family size was 2.78. In the county, the population was spread out, with 22.00% under the age of 18, 7.10% from 18 to 24, 22.80% from 25 to 44, 26.90% from 45 to 64, and 21.30% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 44 years. For every 100 females there were 98.70 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 96.60 males. The median income for a household in the county was $36,449. And the median income for a family was $44,381. Males had a median income of $35,452 versus $24,628 for females. The per capita income for the county was $19,517. About 8.90% of families and 12.50% of the population were below the poverty line, including 17.10% of those under age 18 and 6.80% of those age 65 or over. As of the 2010 United States Census, there were 71,404 people, 31,329 households, and 19,713 families living in the county. The population density was 41.1 inhabitants per square mile. There were 35,582 housing units at an average density of 20.5 per square mile. The racial makeup of the county was 87.0% white, 5.1% American Indian, 1.4% Asian, 0.8% Black or African American, 0.1% Pacific Islander, 1.8% from other races, and 3.8% from two or more races. Those of Hispanic or Latino origin made up 5.1% of the population. In terms of ancestry, 21.4% were German, 16.4% were English, 12.6% were Irish, 6.5% were Norwegian, and 5.2% were American. Of the 31,329 households, 22.7% had children under the age of 18 living with them. 49.4% were married couples living together. 9.2% had a female householder with no husband present. 37.1% were non-families. And 30.4% of all households were made up of individuals. The average household size was 2.22 and the average family size was 2.70. The median age was 49.0 years. The median income for a household in the county was $44,398 and the median income for a family was $54,837. Males had a median income of $44,609 versus $32,125 for females. The per capita income for the county was $24,449. About 9.5% of families and 14.3% of the population were below the poverty line, including 21.4% of those under age 18 and 6.0% of those age 65 or over. Modern Clallam County is generally regarded as a competitive area politically. In the 2020 presidential election, Democrat Joe Biden won with 50.2% of the vote versus 46.9% of the vote for Republican Donald Trump. In the 2016 presidential election, Republican Donald Trump won with 46.7% of the vote, compared to 44.0% of the vote for Democrat Hillary Clinton. In the 2012 presidential election, Democrat Barack Obama narrowly won with 48.4% of the vote, compared to 48.0% of the vote for Republican Mitt Romney. In the 2008 presidential election, Barack Obama won the county with 50.6% of the vote, compared to 47.3% for candidate Republican John McCain. Clallam County is a bellwether, holding the longest record, as of 2020, for predicting official presidential election winners in the entire country. It has voted the winning candidate in every presidential election since 1980, and in every election since 1920 EXC.